Have you ever felt like you're trying to change your life, but nothing sticks? You set goals, big ones. You tell yourself, this is it. This is the year everything changes. You wake up early. You push yourself. You try to fix everything at once. And for a few days, it works. You feel different, stronger, focused, like you're finally becoming the person you've been trying to be. But then something happens. You get tired. You miss one day, then another, and slowly, everything falls apart. You go right back to where you started. And the worst part isn't failing. It's realizing you've done this before, over and over and over again. There was a man named David. David wasn't lazy. He wasn't stupid. He worked hard. He showed up every day. From the outside, his life looked normal. But inside, he was frustrated because no matter how hard he tried to improve his life, nothing ever lasted. Every year, David would make the same promise. This year, I'm going to change everything. He'd write a list, wake up at 5 a.m, exercise every day, read more, learn new skills, fix his finances. He wanted to become a completely different person overnight. And for a few days, he would. He woke up early. He went to the gym. He worked harder than ever. He felt unstoppable. Like this time, it was real. But by day 4, his body was exhausted. By day 5, he started skipping things. By day 7, he was back to his old habits. And every time it happened, he felt worse. Because now it wasn't just failure. It was proof. Proof that maybe he just wasn't the type of person who could change. Years passed like this. Same goals, same energy, same outcome, no progress, no real results, and most importantly, no change in his life. One night, David sat alone in his apartment, looking at everything he had started and abandoned, books he never finished, plans he never followed, goals he never reached. And he asked himself something honestly for the first time. Why does this keep happening? A few weeks later, he went to a reunion. He almost didn't go, because deep down, he didn't feel like he had anything to show. That's when he saw someone he didn't expect. Marcus. Back in school. Marcus was the last person anyone expected to succeed. No discipline, no direction, no consistency. But now, Marcus looked different, healthy, focused, confident, like someone who had figured something out. David couldn't ignore it. He asked him directly, "What did you do?" Marcus smiled and said something simple. "I got 1% better every day," David frowned. "That doesn't make sense," he said. "That's too small to matter." Marcus shook his head. "That's what I thought too." Then he explained something David had never considered before. If you improve by 1% every day, that small improvement compounds. It builds, day after day, until the difference becomes massive. But if you fall back by 1% every day, you slowly disappear. David didn't fully understand it yet, but something about it felt different. So instead of trying to change everything, he tried something new. He picked one habit, just one, not a big one, not a life-changing one, a small one. He told himself, all I have to do is put on my running shoes. That's it. Not run, not train, just put them on. Day 1. He did it. Then sat down. Day 2. Same thing. Day 3. He walked to the door, then stopped. But something was happening. For the first time, he wasn't failing, because the goal wasn't overwhelming. It was simple. After a few days, he stepped outside. After a week, he started moving. Not because he forced himself, but because it became natural. Weeks passed, then months. That one small habit turned into consistency. Consistency turned into discipline. Discipline turned into results. and something bigger started to change. David started thinking differently, making better decisions, managing his time better, spending less on things that didn't matter, focusing on what actually moved his life forward. And for the first time, his effort matched his results. Not because he worked harder, but because he worked consistently. That's when everything changed. He didn't suddenly become rich. He didn't transform overnight. But slowly, his life improved, his habits improved, his discipline improved, and eventually, his money improved. Because the truth is, you don't become financially stable overnight. You become stable through small decisions repeated daily, saving a little more, wasting a little less, thinking before spending, building instead of reacting. That's how progress actually happens. Most people fail because they try to do everything at once. But real change comes from doing one small thing consistently. That's the difference between people who stay stuck and people who move forward. Not motivation, not talent, consistency. So if you feel stuck right now, if you feel like nothing is working, don't try to change your whole life. Pick one thing, one small habit, so small it feels almost pointless, and do it every single day, because the person who can keep one small promise can build a completely different life. And that's how people stop being stuck, not by doing more, but by doing better, 1% at a time,